Do you need to cut hollow and solid profile in metal?
While producing minimal sparks and staying portable?
Well, if so, we've got the brand new tool for you.
This is the GCD 18V-355 dry cutter, ideal for any professional who is working with metal profile, whether solid or hollow, who wants fast and precise cuts with minimal sparks, and also, as this is a cold cut saw, ability to work with stainless steel without tarnishing.
The GCD 18V-355 is our new addition to our current metal cutting portfolio. With a 350mm blade diameter and powered by just one battery, this is the world's first dry cutter of its kind.
As we can see here, the GCD is compatible with the GTA miter saw stand range via an adapter sold as an optional accessory. However, the machine is more than capable of being used on a desk, workstation, or even on the ground.
When it comes to the name of this product, the GCD, the G refers to, of course, the fact this is part of our professional range. The C refers to the fact this is a cut-off saw, and the D refers to the fact that this is a dry cutter. With 2,000 watts of corded equivalent power running on just one battery, this machine has plenty of power for even the toughest of jobs. Also featuring a precision laser, this makes material alignment and precise cutting easy. The handle also features an overload indication LED, so if too much pressure is applied to the blade in use, this gives you feedback and helps save battery charge and blade life.
The GCD features a toolless adjustable fence, allowing you to adjust up to 45 degrees, and also the ability to accommodate different materials of differing dimensions. The machine features a pipe jaw accessory here stored on the back, as well as a ship collector.
In summary, the GCD 18V-355 can cut profiles no other dry cutter or chop saw of its kind can.
So, as mentioned earlier, the GCD 18V-355 is part of a wider portfolio of metal cutting tools, such as the GCD 12JL and the GCO 14-24J. It's important to note that this machine actually outperforms both of those machines despite being cordless and the other machines being corded. On a slightly separate but related topic, when it comes to abrasive chop saws, this machine actually has a benefit over those.
The 5 main advantages are the fact the cuts will be cold, they will be clean, much faster as well. Also, you've got the minimal amount of sparks from the cut, as well as a constant cutting capacity due to the fact this is an abrasive wheel and won't be shrinking during use. So in this demonstration, we're going to be cutting 120mm by 120mm box section. Now you'll see this is quite a heavy undertaking when it comes to any chop saw, but you'll see that this machine manages it with ease. If I pop the PPE on, you can see machine fitted with a laser at the bottom here, allowing you to line up your workpiece perfectly. Now, there you go, a perfectly clean, cold cut.
Very nice. Okay, Danny, let's do another demonstration, something a bit more typical. We've got some 40 by 40 box section. We're using the pipe jaw, and we're going to use a 45-degree miter. There are 6 different blades available for this machine for different applications. The machine itself comes with a Pro steel blade with 66 teeth. There's also a Pro steel blade with 90 teeth available. If you'd like to step up a little bit in price and performance, you can go to an Expert 4 steel blade, and we have 2 variants with 80 and 90 teeth.
Now, if you're primarily cutting stainless steel, it makes sense to go for our expert for stainless steel blades. Now, these are available in 70 teeth and 90 tooth variants.
So in summary, the GCD 18V-355 has many great benefits. The first one being the fact it is a cordless machine running on a single 18-volt battery without any loss of performance.
This with a cutting capacity that's best in class, even when it comes to corded and cordless products.
And finally, you've got great stand compatibility across the entire range of our GTA miter saw stand range, which means you can work both comfortably and securely.
Well, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget, you can always leave a comment below.
Outtakes.
The GCD is very happy and comfortable on a miter. Oh my God, I was doing too much.
When referring to the name GCD, the G obviously refers to something professional.
Chip collector got me.
Yeah.
Chip collector for chips. Okay, Danny, let's do one more.
Sorry, hang on, what was that at the beginning?
Danny. Daddy.
Yeah, don't say
Daddy,
that.
Danny. Danny, Daddy.
How many blades, Chris?
5, 6.
Professional.
Who wants to start?
Want.
Want is a strong word. Can't leave that alone, can you?
It's nice. I like.
It's like a trombone. You've got to do the trombone sounds.
The GCD features a toolless, toolless, tool-free? Toolless.